Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix note feature is not showing. So first of all, go for your Play Store and search for your Instagram. You have to update your Instagram if it's available here. So I have already did it. Then go back, then go for your settings, go for apps and notification. Now go for your Instagram, storage and cache, and now clear your cache. Go back, do it for stop. Now go to your Instagram and refresh your Instagram or clear all data from here, and again go for your message option, and you can see I have the note option here. So this is how you can get your note from here, from Instagram. You can fix the problem with that process. Hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.